Flax seeds might seem unassuming, but they pack a powerful nutritional punch that can revolutionize your health. These tiny seeds are a treasure trove of nutrients, offering a wealth of benefits that are too good to ignore. So let's dive into why incorporating flax seeds into your diet could be one of the best decisions you make for your health. First off, flax seeds are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is essential for heart health. Consuming these fatty acids regularly can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. If you're looking for a plant-based source of these essential fats, flax seeds are an excellent choice. But that's not all. Flax seeds are also loaded with dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. This fiber content helps promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and can even help in managing weight by keeping you feeling full longer. For anyone looking to improve their digestive health or manage their weight, flax seeds could be a game changer. Furthermore, these seeds are a great source of lignans, which are phytoestrogens with antioxidant properties. Lignans are linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, especially breast and prostate cancer. By including flax seeds in your diet, you're not only getting a host of nutrients, but also potentially protecting your body against these diseases. Flax seeds can also have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. The fiber in flax seeds slows down the rate at which sugar is released into the bloodstream, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. For those managing diabetes or looking to prevent it, adding flax seeds to your diet can be beneficial. Moreover, flax seeds contain high-quality protein, making them a fantastic addition to a vegetarian or vegan diet. This plant-based protein can help support muscle growth and repair, as well as overall body health. If you're looking to increase your protein intake without turning to meat, flax seeds are worth considering. These seeds are also beneficial for skin and hair health, thanks to their rich content of ALA omega-3 fatty acids. Regular consumption can help improve skin hydration and smoothness, reduce dryness, and even support healthy hair growth. For anyone interested in natural beauty solutions, flax seeds are a must-try. In addition to all these health benefits, flax seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on yogurt or salads, or use them in baking. With their mild, nutty flavor, they're a simple way to boost the nutritional value of your meals. Another great thing about flax seeds is their role in hormonal balance. The phytoestrogens found in flax seeds can help regulate hormones, especially in women experiencing menopause. This can lead to reduced hot flashes and other menopausal symptoms, making flax seeds a natural remedy worth considering. Flax seeds are also known for their heart-healthy effects. They can help lower cholesterol levels thanks to their soluble fiber content, which binds with cholesterol in the intestine and prevents it from being absorbed. This can lead to a significant reduction in overall cholesterol levels, further protecting your heart health. Lastly, the antioxidants in flax seeds, particularly lignans, offer protective effects against oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to overall health and well-being. These antioxidants can help fight free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Embracing flax seeds in your diet is like unlocking a chest filled with health treasures, and I'm thrilled to dive deeper into this journey with you. These little seeds don't just stop at offering the benefits we've discussed. Their impact on your health stretches even further, touching every aspect of your well-being with a gentle yet potent force. Imagine starting your day with a boost of energy that doesn't come from your usual cup of coffee, but from something as simple as the addition of flax seeds to your breakfast. Their high fiber content isn't just about keeping your digestive system happy. It's also about providing you with steady energy throughout the day. By stabilizing your blood sugar levels, flax seeds help you avoid those mid-morning crashes that have you reaching for snacks or caffeine. It's a natural way to maintain your focus and energy, allowing you to tackle your day with vitality. But let's not forget about mental health. In a world where stress and anxiety are all too common, flax seeds offer a beacon of hope. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds have been linked to improved brain health and are thought to play a role in reducing anxiety and depression. They nourish your brain, supporting cognitive functions and potentially improving your mood. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet could be a simple step toward a happier, more balanced mental state. Now, think about the beauty of prevention. In a healthcare landscape often focused on treatment, flax seeds stand out as a natural ally in disease prevention. Their nutrient-packed profile supports your body's defenses against a range of conditions, from heart disease to diabetes, and even cancer. It's empowering to know that something as accessible as flax seeds can have such a profound impact on your health. But how do you make these seeds a regular part of your life? Let's get creative. Beyond sprinkling them on your morning yogurt or blending them into your smoothies, flax seeds can be integrated into your cooking in fun and delicious ways. Imagine baking them into your bread, creating a crusty, nutty flavor that enhances every bite. Or mix them into your homemade granola bars for an extra crunch and a boost of nutrients. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are immense. Taking our journey with flax seeds further, let's delve into the subtle yet impactful ways they can influence our daily living and long-term health. This isn't just about adding a superfood to your diet. It's about transforming your lifestyle, one seed at a time, towards a more vibrant, healthier you. Picture this: a world where heart diseases are significantly reduced, not by high-cost medications or invasive surgeries, but by the daily consumption of something as simple and natural as flax seeds. The dream isn't far-fetched. The omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans in flax seeds work together in harmony to protect your heart, offering a blanket of protection against cardiovascular diseases. By making flax seeds a regular part of your diet, you're essentially fortifying your heart with nature's best defense mechanisms. Moving on, let's talk about weight management and flax seeds. In a society where fad diets and quick fixes are the norms, flax seeds offer a sustainable, healthy approach to managing weight. The fiber in flax seeds keeps you feeling full for longer, reducing the need for snacking and thereby assisting in weight control. Imagine enjoying your meals without the guilt, knowing that you're supporting your weight management goals with every bite that includes flax seeds. For the fitness enthusiasts among us, flax seeds are nothing short of a miracle ingredient. The protein in flax seeds aids in muscle repair and growth, making them a perfect post-workout snack ingredient. Blend them into your protein shakes or sprinkle them on your post-exercise meal for an added boost of muscle-nourishing goodness. It's about making those gym hours count more, not just through the workout, but also through what you fuel your body with afterwards. Let's not overlook the aging population. As we age, our bodies require more support to remain healthy and functional. Flax seeds, with their rich nutrient profile, offer that support, particularly in bone health. The omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation, which can benefit conditions such as arthritis, enhancing mobility and reducing pain. Furthermore, the minerals found in flax seeds, such as calcium, contribute to bone strength, helping combat osteoporosis. It's about aging gracefully with the support of nature's bounty. Additionally, flax seeds play a crucial role in women's health. The lignans, with their estrogen-like properties, can help ease menopause symptoms such as hot flashes and mood swings. They offer a natural alternative to hormone replacement therapies, with fewer side effects and more benefits. It's about providing women with a holistic approach to managing menopause, one that embraces natural solutions for well-being. Now, let's talk about the brain-boosting benefits of flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids are not just good for the heart, they're also crucial for brain health. They can enhance cognitive functions, improving memory, focus, and even reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Including flax seeds in your diet could mean not just a healthier body, but a sharper, more resilient mind. It's about nourishing your brain as much as your body, ensuring holistic health that spans from physical to mental well-being. Turning our attention to the kitchen, flax seeds can transform the way we cook and eat. They can be used as an egg substitute in baking, making it easier for vegans and those with egg allergies to enjoy their favorite baked goods. They can also be used to thicken soups and sauces, adding a nutritional boost along with the desired consistency. It's about making every meal not just delicious, but also rich in nutrients. As we embrace flax seeds and their numerous benefits, it's essential to remember that small changes can lead to significant impacts. Integrating flax seeds into your diet is a step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. It's not just about the seeds themselves, but about embracing a philosophy of natural, preventive healthcare. In conclusion, flax seeds are more than just a superfood. They're a lifestyle choice that offers a path to improved health and well-being. From protecting your heart to supporting your brain, aiding in weight management, and even offering solutions for menopausal symptoms, flax seeds are a versatile, powerful ally in your health journey. As we wrap up this exploration, I encourage you to share how flax seeds have impacted your life. Your experiences and tips are a source of inspiration for others looking to make a positive change in their health. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the Natural Healing Guides YouTube channel for more insights into natural health and wellness. Together, let's embrace the power of natural healing, one step, one seed at a time.